everyone, and thanks for joining me today for Origami with Miss Cynthia. Today I will show you how to create finger puppets. Now stick around so I can share with you our secret code for the summer reading program. Now let's get started. The supplies you will need are Post-its and coloring supplies. Alright guys, so once you have your stickies, we're just going to use one. I'll show you how to do the folding. You can do as many as these as you'd like. They're really fun to make. So make sure that your sticky side is facing upward. You're going to fold that bottom towards the sticky side, right at the border of the stickiness, just like this, and go ahead and crease it here below. Now the sticky portion on the top, go ahead and fold it down just like this. Okay, so now we've created a little tube where later you get to use this as a puppet. Okay, so now go ahead and face your Post-it so the sticky side that went down here, you're just going to flip it over, and on the top side bring it down like this. Okay, and then on the bottom portions here on the corner, just bring those downward. Each corner, just fold them in just like this. And then if you want some ears, you're gonna fold the corners here. You don't have to have ears. This is really good for like if you're creating animals, some cats, dogs, lions. If you're creating people, you can just leave those straight like this. Okay, and then now it's time to decorate and have fun with it. What I did with my little piggies here is I grabbed some pink paint. Just a small amount is needed. And I painted the whole entire piece just like this. And then what I did is I just added some clothing to my little piggy and some eyes. I did the same thing to the little wolf here. But you can have fun and design, and you can use watercolors, crayons, markers, whatever coloring supplies you have to make your own little puppets. And then once they're done and dried and ready to go, you'll just put your little puppets and create many, many tales and stories with family and friends. This is so fun. Now I wanted to remind you the library has many, many books available that are folk tales, and very fun to make some of these puppets and enjoy some nice classic books. I hope you've enjoyed this. Now for our summer reading code. It is Watch 18. It can be entered at www.maricopacountyreads.org and redeemed for additional points. Don't forget to send in your pictures of your masterpieces to library@buckeyeaz.gov for additional 15 points. You can also bring it along to show staff at your library or the bookmobile for an extra 25 points. It is that easy to get extra points. If you haven't signed up already, it is not too late to sign up for the summer reading program, Tales and Tales. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and see you next week for more origami fun. Bye!